Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can build huge email lists using DataBar. Now, you can use email lists for basically everything to do with your cold calling purposes. So generating a list can give you a direction as to how you can cold call better and who your target audience is. And to start off with, we have a data set here that we're going to use. So it's going to be website and Crunchbase information. Of course, you can bring in your own information if you want to via CSV upload, or using DataBar's own web scraper, or of course using one of our APIs in our API library. So to start off with, we can use the enrichments tab here to fetch the emails for a specific company. So go to the enrichments tab and start typing hunter.io, as they have some really good email enrichment APIs, and select email finder by company and department. And select, so this is the first step, is the mapping phase, where you map the request parameters to the columns in your dataset. So domain URL, just map it to website here. And then you can select the automation as you'd like, run on click, run on update. And we'll just leave it as this for now. And then you can select whatever data you want in response. So since we only care about email address, I'll just select that and add the column. And once it's added, you can see the enrichment column is here, ready to go. And then click on the enrichment again, click on run rows, and click on run all rows. And if you just give it a few seconds, the data just will just take some time to load, and then good to go. All right. So now that the data is ready, you can see there's 200 rows here. Of course, if you add more domains, you can get more emails, or if you add more, let's say, specific request parameters, you could possibly get more emails, but I'm just keeping it very general here. So now that you have all the emails here, you can get started with sending out emails to a set person. But you can also build on top of the data set. For example, with the email, we have a lot of enrichments to get people information. With the same enrichment, for example, you could have gotten a lot more information, but we chose just email. Or you could also enhance your company information. Like, for example, we have Crunchbase right here. You could get the funding data for an organization. I can show you an example here really quickly. So add another enrichment and go to Crunchbase, and then select Crunchbase Scraper, and then again do the mapping Crunchbase link. We have the link right here, and then you can do run on click, and then you can get let's get the logo, forget the logo, let's get total amount raised, number of investors, and category. And once this is added, again you can see the enriched columns, and you just have to start the enrichment. So again, I'll just click on this. Of course, you can do the same thing as last time and enrich all the rows, but I'll just show you one or two examples just to see how it works. And there you go. You can see the category of Disney, the amount they've raised, and the total investors. And yeah, that's basically how you build email lists and build on top of those lists in DataBar.